Hello and welcome. Today, we're rediving into the mysterious world of one of the most fascinating underground creatures. The mole, known for their burrowing skills. These small animals have adapted to a life beneath the surface. But how do moles survive in complete darkness? What makes them such experts at living underground? Stick around as we explore the hidden life of moles and the secrets of their subterranean kingdom. Let's get started. A mole is a small, burrowing mammal belonging to the Talpida family, found in many parts of the world, including Europe, North America, and Asia. Moles are known for their incredible digging abilities. One of the most common species is the European mole Talpa europaea. Physically, moles are easily recognizable by their short, powerful limbs, large claws, and velvety fur. But what's most interesting about them is that their eyes are barely visible. Moles are almost blind due to their underground lifestyle, where light is practically non-existent. Moles spend most of their lives in the dark, living in a network of tunnels they dig beneath the soil. Their world is one of darkness and soil, and it's perfectly suited to them. The reason moles' eyes are so tiny is because they don't need them. Instead, their sense of touch, smell, and hearing are incredibly heightened, making them experts at navigating their subterranean homes. A mole's tunnel system is actually quite complex. They dig long, winding tunnels that can stretch for several kilometers in total. Some of these tunnels are used for hunting food, while others serve as living spaces for resting or raising their young. The tunnels even have specialized chambers for storing food. These tunnels create a safe, protected world where moles can find food, shelter, and security. One of the most impressive things about moles is their extraordinary digging skills. Their strong, shovel-like forelimbs are perfectly designed for burrowing. In fact, moles are such efficient diggers that they can create an entire tunnel system in just a few hours. Their claws allow them to move soil with ease, and the digging process is practically instinctual. This ability to dig allows moles to create complex underground networks where they hunt for food and avoid predators. Moles are constantly moving soil to create new tunnels, and they often encounter their food along the way. Their tunnels are also an excellent strategy for catching prey. Moles primarily eat earthworms, insects, and small invertebrates, which they catch in their tunnels. Mole tunnels aren't just for food and shelter. They're also used as hunting grounds. The tunnels give moles a huge advantage in capturing prey, as the insects and worms living below the surface can't escape once a mole starts digging. Moles are carnivores, and their diet mainly consists of earthworms, insects, and other small creatures they find underground. The mole's food supply is entirely underground, so they spend a lot of time hunting. Interestingly, moles have a very high metabolism and need to eat nearly half their body weight each day to survive. That's a lot of food for such small animals. To ensure they have enough to eat, moles store food in their tunnels. They don't just eat as they go. They often create food chambers where they store their catch. The mole's high energy needs mean it's constantly searching for food, and these stored supplies ensure it can survive even when fresh prey is scarce. Moles also use their tunneling abilities to trap their food. As they dig, they encounter earthworms and insects in the soil, which they can then capture and eat. This constant search for food is one of the driving forces of the mole's life underground. Moles are solitary creatures. They don't live in groups, but prefer to stay alone in their tunnel systems. The only time they come together is during mating season. Male and female moles briefly meet to mate, after which they part ways again. Female moles give birth to 4 to 7 pups, and the young are born blind and hairless. They are cared for by their mother until they grow strong enough to leave the nest and start their own underground lives. The mole's life cycle is designed to fit its solitary lifestyle. Moles reach sexual maturity fairly quickly, within about 9 months, and start to create their own tunnels and territories. The young moles leave their mother's burrow at around 30 days old and begin digging their own paths. Moles are incredible creatures, perfectly adapted to life underground. Their digging abilities, high metabolism, and solitary nature make them fascinating survivors in the hidden world below our feet. By creating intricate tunnel systems, they not only survive, but thrive in the darkness of the earth. I hope this video has helped you appreciate these underground engineers a little more. If you enjoyed this dive into the world of moles, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Leave a comment down below. Are there any other underground animals you'd like to learn about? I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and take care.